What's going on, guys? It's James. Today I have my Empire Axe. This thing shoots ridiculously nice. On it I have the Boss Infamous bolt, or the excessive bolt, same thing, whatever. Critical trigger, and the Nano V-neck. That's everything else is bone stock on it. I did change the power tube O-rings to the Boss kit. Really nice. The gun is pretty much new. It all has maybe 3 cases through it. Still breaking in. And the paint I'm shooting is not too consistent. It's this stupid shit. It's called Empire Hotbox. It's really cheap throwaway paint. Bought it to break in the gun. So, oh, by the way, Furious Lotus barrel. Really, really sexy. Show you how it shoots. .290, 277, 288. 278, 270, 274, and one more, 286. For those guys that were wondering if you can make the trigger bounce on the Empire Axe, you can. It's pretty sick. This is cap semi at 25. It's the highest the board will go, but it is on semi. That's it. This gun is absolutely ridiculous. The Furious barrel is really nice, really quiet. Really happy with the setup. Hope you guys enjoyed. Catch you later.